We're going to solve an equation that involves fraction notation. The equation is t times 2 over 5 is equal to 7 over 10. Now, the goal is to get t alone on the left-hand side of the equation. And I would see that if I would divide t times 2/5 by 2/5, I would have 1 times t, or just t. So I'm going to divide by 2/5 on the left-hand side, which will leave me t. And I also then have to divide by 2/5 on the right-hand side. So I'd have 7 over 10 divided by 2 over 5. Now I need to carry out the division, and remember, when we divide using fraction notation, we multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. So I would write this as 7 over 10 times 5 over 2, and then we multiply numerators, and we multiply denominators. And now we need to see if we can simplify the product. There is a factor of 5 in the numerator, and 10 has a factor of 5. So I'm going to rewrite the numerator as it is, and then I'm going to write the denominator, factoring 10, as 2 times 5, and then that's times 2, the other factor of 2. And now I can take out 5 over 5, rewriting this as a product. 5 over 5 times 7 over 2 times 2. 5 over 5 is equal to 1, so this is equal to 1 times 7 over 2 times 2, or just 7 over 2 times 2. And carrying out the multiplication in the denominator, I have then 7 over 4. So we would say the solution is 7 over 4.